To draw a frying pan, let's start with an ellipse. So this is not an easy shape to draw, and it's a kind of a squash circle. So imagine it's a circle and it's been squashed. Now what we're going to want to do is to draw a very thin line all the way around the edge. So this is the thickness of the frying pan. It will come down to there, and then we can bring it down around like that, and then up to there. And we are also going to want to have this coming around, and then that will just kind of fade out. It needs to be very close up to that line. Then we can just kind of dot and make that fade out. And then we're going to want the inside of the frying pan like that. Let's put some shading in there like that, there. And then we're going to have the handle about here, so we're going to want 3 kind of rivet studs, and then we can put that there. Maybe a bit of shading on the inside too, like that. And we'll want a bit of shading around here to give that a bit of sort of curvature on the outside. And then where the studs are here that are holding on the handle, draw 2 little lines going off at an angle like that. And then that's going to be the kind of metal bit that joins it all up. And then there's usually this kind of black plastic which comes off, and it kind of goes wobbly, wobbly, wobbly like that, where your hands grip it there. And then there's usually a hole there to hang it up on the whatever you're hanging it up on the wall and things like that. So we can maybe put a little bit of shadow in there like that, and a bit of sort of shininess on the metal. And then we're going to want a bit of shadow on the ground. I'm now going to use that just to shade and slightly change the shape of that there, because I think I didn't quite get it right. And we'll just put a little bit of shadow, and this will come around here, around there a little bit like that, and then get shorter. This should probably be a bit longer there. And then you could have it on the table like that, coming through on the other side, and there's the other side of the table. Then all you need to do is add a little bit of colour, and there you go, how to draw a frying pan. Thanks for watching, and click that subscribe button and make sure you keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy every week for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.